sir.
Due to this pandemic COVID-19, we will have this meeting by online. So I would like to thank everyone for attending this meeting. I'm Cliff McMigang Anasing as a Chief Executive Officer, CEO, and I will be chairman for today's meetings. Actually, today I call for the 6th executive meeting and I will be chairman for this meeting, and we will discuss the issue of record and documentation in our company. So before we start for our meeting agenda, I would like to request Madam Fatiha as our secretary to report who was absent for this meeting. Okay, Madam?
Good evening, Mr. Chairman and fellow members. Yes, we have enough quorum for this meeting since there are no absent, and you can see all members are able to attend this meeting.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Madam Secretary. Actually, today I call for this meeting for discuss for our main agenda, which is related to the issue of record and documentation in our company. So, as you know, they have a few matters in different departments in our company. So, as you know, we have a few matters in different departments in our company. So, today we will discuss for the problem and record documentation. I need every executive department to describe the problem and give new suggestion for our issue and for our issue, and give their opinion for agree and disagree to the new solutions. So secretary will be in charge to record the minute of the meeting. Before we start for our meeting agenda, I would like to be confirmation of minutes. The last 4-minute record and documentation meeting was confirmed without any amendment. Okay. The first issue is agenda is document controller. So Asmawi, how about the problem?
Sorry,
Asmawi, your voice.
sorry, Mr. Asmawi, your voice can.
Okay, sorry. Okay, under control.
Okay, right.
All manager agree and will take action to appoint the staff for the department. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Asmawi, Mr. Asmawi. Okay, the next is document controller. The next is document storing. Mr. Rezni, you have answer about that?
Okay. About document storing, I will discuss with Mr. Rozaini to provide storing area for marketing department, and I will to sure that Mr. Rozaini get to me a quotation for the storing area to present in the next meeting. Mr. Rozaini?
Thank you, Mr. Ridwan. Regarding document quotation, document storing, I have obtained the following information. I have get the 3 quotation, and we have got the lowest quotation is 3,000 only. For chairman information, I will leave it to Mr. Ridwan for the next process. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Razaini. I will record in this minute of meeting.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Other matters, who any idea for the other matter? Somebody?
No, we don't have any other matters.
Okay, okay.
So we can
proceed
confirm
for the,
passing minute.
okay, we can proceed for the first agenda, right?
Yes.
Right.
Okay, the first agenda is 5S in documentation. Anyone can answer that?
Okay, I'm Muhammad Rizwan.
Okay, Rizwan.
Okay, I would like to give a suggestion regarding 5S documentation by having a logbook system and inventory management system to all of department. This logbook system is to ensure that all employee record the use of valuable equipment to be used. Regarding inventory management system, the employee must be record each incoming or outgoing item that will and want to be used. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ridwan. Anyone agree with the motion? If agree, please show your hand.
I agree with Mr. Rizwan. Record management is important in a company. They have so many benefits. One of the benefits, such as a smoothing service delivery, increase the productivity and evident material. That's my.
Thank you, Mr. Khairul. So, Mr. Chairman, can we proceed to next agenda?
Okay, very thank you for Mr. Rizwan and Mr. Arifin. Also thank for Madam Secretary. Okay, the next agenda is about document procedure. Who can answer about this?
My name is Muhammad
Keep
Asmawi.
your hands.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
Asmawi.
I would like to suggest a proposal for every employer to know and understand to the basic of record and document management by providing training and course. Okay. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Asmawi. So, any members agree with the motion?
Okay, anyone?
So Mr. Chairman, I agree with Mr. Asmawi opinion. Training is important in expanding a company. That's why this training must be held in our organization. When we send our staff for training, because we want our staff knowledgeable and expand their skill. Training is an asset to encourage knowledge sharing, which empowers to understand how process work and what finished project typically look like. Then training help the employees to get job security and job certification. It will contribute to our organization to success. Meanwhile, with training, it gives our employees the opportunity to outgrow their position. So as a point I give above, I totally agree the suggestion to have training among the employees. That's all, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Yeah, I also agree with Mr. Asmawi. Sorry, Mr. Rozaini, because training can improve our staff knowledge. That's all.
Okay, thank you for our executive departments, Mr. Asmawi and Mr. Rosani. Okay, the next is about office authorities recordings. Anyone?
Yeah, I have a motion.
Yes,
As
proceed.
we know, we have a problem with unrecorded utilities. So my motion is, I have motion to voice up for the problem of unrecorded utilities. Which is, I suggest if we create online system for utilities recording, which is all department can access and update their utilities, so we can serve the problem of unrecorded utilities. That's all from me.
Okay, thank you, Siti Batia. Anyone who
agree
can
with my motion?
give?
I'm Fazini Uzai. I agree the
Proceed,
opinion.
Fazini.
Yeah. I agree the opinion from the Madam Teha. Okay, why I agree the opinion. First, I have a 4 reason why I agree the opinion. First is he can manage life recycle documentation, and second is anybody new staff can continue the system is any staff retire or stop and third is develop develop the productivity, and the last is can cut the cost operation. Cut operation distance. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Fazuni. Okay, and I will be, okay. Okay, I will close the meeting because only 3 agenda we have. Okay, so any question about the agenda?
No.
Anyone?
Session around.
No, we don't have any
No,
question.
sir.
No,
For
sir.
me, no any question.
Okay.
Chairman.
Thank you, Mr.
No
Chairman.
question, yes? Okay, okay. I will end the meeting. Okay. So I will postpone this meeting to next meeting. Thank you everyone and see you again. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mr.
you.
Chairman.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Assalamualaikum.
Okay. See you.
Assalamualaikum.
Yeah.
Good, stay healthy.